Hi guys. So we're having some staycation here in Al-Ain. So dito kami sa sa Oryx Radisson Hotel here in Al-Ain. Actually nasa bundok na kami. Tuktok ng bundok sa guys. So yes, maganda naman siya. So makita niyo yung clips later guys. And yeah. So see you guys later. Hi guys. So nasa labas na kami. So kakatapos na namin mag-badminton. So yun guys, oh. Kita niyo sa likod ko. Yan ang swimming pool. Ganda diba guys? Dami nag-swimming guys. Look. Yes. So unti lang ang kabayan. Most likely Arabic. Puro Arab. So yun. So you see guys. See? Ang ganda. Kasi ang daming tao kasi nga Sunday. And it's family day. So napakadaming tao. And then ito guys, you see this? Yeah, city view. So taas talaga siya ng bundok. Yes. So nung papunta kami dito, grabe yung daan, sobrang heated. Hindi naman heated, like iba lang talaga yung daan dito compared to saan yun? Yung highest peak ng saan yun Mike? Saan yun? Yeah. So guys, ito yung sa Jebel Jais. Mas grabe yung doon, yung daan. Ay, mas okay yung daan doon kaysa dito. This is actually Jebel Jais so Jebel Jais is the first highest peak in the UAE. And then I'm here in Jebel Hafit. So this is the second highest peak ng UAE. So yeah, bundok talaga guys. Pero yun na guys. So yun. We'll just swim and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, good evening. So nandito na ako sa room and we just finished our dinner. It's a buffet and it's really nice there. We ate a lot. So sobrang busog na and ready to sleep, ready to sleep and ready to shower or ready to swim kasi I'm planning to go to the pool. Because it will close at 9 and it's already 8:05, so I still have time because kanina sobrang dami ng tao. So yes, I'll go there and I'll have some time to relax. So see you guys. Hi guys. So mag-night swimming ako. Kasi kanina hindi na kami tumuloy kasi sobrang dami ng tao. So ngayon it's already 8:20 or mag-8:30 na. So I still have like 30 minutes to swim. Yes, to enjoy guys. And yeah. So